Hello, hello. This is the audio for Lessons 16 and 17 Weekly Learning Check. Number 1. Which expression represents 5 more than half a number? Is it 1/2 n minus 5, 5 plus 2n, 1/2 n plus 5, 1/2 plus 5n? Number 2. Which equation represents the output is 8 less than 6 times the input? Y equals 8 minus 6x. Y equals 6x minus 8. Y equals 8x minus 6. Y equals 8 plus 6x. Number 3. Which equation represents the output is the sum of half the input and 5? I have y equals 1/2 x, y equals 1/2 x minus 5, y equals 5x plus 1/2, y equals 1/2 x plus 5. Which table represents, this is number 4, which table represents 5 more than 3 times the input is the output? And you'll look at your tables there. Number 5, Roberta has a gift card from Chick-fil-A that has $50 on it. A regular chicken sandwich costs $3.75. Which equation shows how much Roberta will have left on her gift card after buying X chicken sandwiches? Do not worry about tax. Y equals 50 plus 375x. Y equals 50 minus 375x. Y equals 375 minus 50x. Y equals 50x minus 375. Number 6. Isaiah is taking a running challenge to see how many miles he can run this month. Isaiah has already run 15 miles. He sets a goal of running 5 miles a day. Which equation represents the number of miles Isaiah will have run after X days? Y equals 5 plus 15x. Y equals 15 minus 5x. Y equals 15 plus 5x. Y equals 15x minus 5. Number 7. The local pizza restaurant sells cheese pizzas for $4.99. Each additional topping is 75 cents. Which graph represents the cost of pizza with X toppings? Number 8. Which does not represent a function? Number 9. Which is most likely the slope of the line graphed below? 2/3, 2, negative 2/3, negative 2. And number 10. The graph of y equals 1/4 x plus 2 is shown below. Which line is parallel to this line? Y equals negative 1/4 x plus 2. Y equals 4x plus 3. Y equals negative 4x minus 5. Y equals 1/4 x minus 5.